Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Mr. Techfox. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications for any one app on your Android phone. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So open the settings app on your Android device. So I'm gonna do it. Normally swipe down the notification bar and click on this gear icon, or you can do it by normally exploring all of the apps and selecting the settings option. I'm choosing it from here, and then you will see the interface of settings. Normally scroll down a bit and find apps, and here you will get another option, app management or all apps. Just choose it, and then you will see all of the apps installed on your phone. Normally select the app. So I'm gonna choose this Bcash app, and then normally you will get an option, manage notifications. Just normally click on it, and here just uncheck this box, allow notifications. So if you uncheck this, that means you are not going to get any notification from this app further later. So that's all about today's video exactly, but I'm going to show you a shortcut, and that is if I turn it on again, and I'm gonna show you the exact tutorial. Just first of all, find the app, for example this Bcash app. So normally hold down the app and choose app info or click on this eye icon, and then you will see the exact same window that we have seen before through the settings. So normally go again, manage notifications and turn it off. So that's all about today's video. Now you know how to turn off notification for a specific app. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.